When multi-ton tractors fall into the hands of so-called skilled drivers, who clearly weren't thinking, from terrifying rollovers to fixes that make things worse, this is a collection of the craziest, most dangerous, and downright ridiculous heavy equipment moments. Don't blink, because one careless second can lead to disastrous consequences. The image of the massive Kiribati truck, known for its power and stability on all terrains, suddenly soaring off the ground in a spectacular manner, created a wave of amazement and delight around the world. For the insanely brave, a glorious laurel awaits with special offers. Focus on the honor and reward for extraordinary courage. Use the word glory to add value to the laurel. This video is more than just about tractors getting stuck. It's about the relentless battle between the muscle power of giant machines and the tenacity of the mud. You'll witness the most outrageous situations, from tractors diving into the slushy mud to desperate attempts to drag themselves free. Imagine a glorious weekend at the Traktoriada's DHF 2024 festival, where powerful tractors demonstrate their strength and dexterity. The cheers of the audience fill the air, accompanied by the roar of the engines. Have you ever seen a tractor do this? Don't miss the amazing sight of a John Deere tractor demonstrating its superior power to the point of completely burying itself into the ground. The roar of the engine tore through the air, black smoke billowed from the exhaust, and the giant Zetor 16,145 Zelma began to move, dragging a seemingly impossible load. Every turn of the wheel, every roar of the engine was a testament to the overwhelming power and incredible durability of this machine. At the Gerendorf 2017 event, the giant machines created an impressive spectacle, especially the presence of two legends, Ural and K700A. This was not just a machine show, but a celebration of the beauty of power, durability, and engineering heritage. This is more than just moving a machine. This is the moment when we see the massiveness and majesty of the K700A after it has proven itself in the arena. The dirt and grime on its bodywork tells the story of a fierce battle, of every wheel gripping the ground, and of the roar of its engine as it tries to pull the load beyond its limits. The entire atmosphere seemed to stop when the K700A, a giant machine that was highly anticipated, suddenly emitted a deafening explosion while pulling hard at the tractor pull competition. It was not just a simple noise, but a haunting turbo explosion that tore apart the lively atmosphere of the event. Who will win this power and performance race? Whether you prefer the powerful, simple Kirovec or the sophisticated, efficient Class, both are respectable choices that promise to please any farmer.
Jetzt hat's gespannt. Und von mir aus auf die Plätze, fertig, los! Oha! Halt einmal, gut, halt! Ja, wie so. Ja, hol ein bisschen, jawohl! Zieh raus! Der Pap sagt, zieh raus! Ich glaube, das war nicht nur allein. Das ist einzigartig in ganz Bayern und sicherlich in Deutschland. Respekt. Dankeschön. Und an die Zuschauer möchte ich mich natürlich ganz herzlich.
A dramatic moment at the Traktoriada Horny Plana 2018 event became the center of attention when a tractor crashed, creating an unexpected landing that left the audience unable to take their eyes off. Forget slick tracks and flashy sports cars. Get ready for a completely different racing experience where giant agricultural machines transform into speed monsters. Tractor Racing Volvo Terror. These are not just entertaining mishaps, but also valuable lessons on what not to do when working with heavy machinery. Watch to better understand the risks and consequences of complacency. Do you realize that you have made similar mistakes? On an empty lot, the atmosphere was tense. On one side was a giant block of metal, a tractor roaring, ready to unleash all its horsepower. The tires were large, with deep spikes like the claws of a monster, ready to grip the ground. It symbolized progress, the relentless mechanical power of the industrial age. The video takes us to the Traktoriada Shumovske Hostis 2022 event, where powerful tractors demonstrate their endurance and driver dexterity. However, amid the excitement of the competition, an unexpected incident occurs. A tractor overturns. Don't miss these epic failures. They not only show the destructive power of machines when they fail, but also serve as valuable lessons in workplace safety. Watch and learn from them to avoid similar mishaps in the future. At 10:30 a.m. on the 30th of October, 2023, an unexpected incident occurred. A tractor suddenly caught fire. The flames were billowing, and the black smoke was billowing, threatening to spread and become dangerous. This confrontation will keep you glued to your seat, as each side gives it their all, creating a dramatic and breathtaking spectacle. This is not just a tug-of-war, but a story of opposition, of who will emerge victorious when power is put on the line in the most unexpected way.
perdem para muito var da soyan.
The Tractoriada's Daykov 2020 match was in full swing. The cheers of the audience echoed throughout the racetrack. The powerful tractors glided over the rugged terrain, bringing a dramatic performance. Suddenly, an incident occurred. Imagine a giant machine, a symbol of power and endurance. That is the Volvo BM 470 Bison. But what really makes this monster special is not just its size, but the heart that roars inside it, a 38.8-liter V12 engine. Are you ready to relive the dramatic moments of Tractor Trial Shalmanovas 2010? This is not just a video, but an immersive experience that takes you into the world of giant machines that push all limits. One fateful afternoon, on a deserted country road, a Ford 4600 tractor, straining to pull a loaded trailer, suddenly became the witness of a chilling incident. A strange noise from under the vehicle signaled something ominous. The clutch plate had shattered. The arduous journey has ended, but the power of the giant machines still resonates. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next breathtaking action scenes. See you again in the upcoming eye-catching trips.